Camp Chef 2-burner stove, Camp Chef Everest. Pretty big. Gas is on. Piezo light. Gas is on here. Piezo light. The little circles I love because that is extra wind blockage. Let's really crank that up. Holy cow. Let's crank this one up. Boy, if you want your coffee right away, this could be the propane stove for you. I'm going to turn the right one off and let's see how low can I get that. Still on. Very good flame control. Blasting. I mean, that's blasting. And now let's do it slowly so you can see the difference. Very precise flame control. And I am sweating over here just from this flame. Still on. Is it on? It is on. Excellent. Now it's off. Excellent, excellent flame control. Now, I probably should have... Well, I could take that off. I'll take it off here. This will come right off for a nice, easy cleaning. Just got it, and I've only used it once. But you can see it's just a hair dirty. We've used it once already. But that is what it looks like. This will clean up super nice. And then this guy... Ouch! I'm so glad I did not show that on camera. This guy will go right back in here, like so. These will disconnect. They are a little hot. "12-inch pan, 11-inch Omnia." Just to validate that. 12-inch. This is the way we normally cook. Usually fry something up, and then it goes into our beloved Omnia oven. And in case you're scoring at home, again, that's a 12-inch pan. And I am right over the flame. See, you got a tiny little gap there. This is a 10-inch. And this is the primary reason why I picked this up. It's big enough for our cooking style, which is usually like this, or like this. This is usually how we camp outdoors. The only other thing I would say is that this is the Farberware 12-cup percolator. This is the biggest one they have. I'm probably going to give this away in a later video. It's just too big for 2 people. I have the 8-cup, which we use all the time. This too big, likely to give it away. So the things I love about it, obviously the size. I don't mind packing something a little bit bigger. I'll make a comparison with our Martin 2-burner propane stove in a moment. I'll show you that. I love these things. These are extra wind blockers, so along with this, plus these, I think you'll have excellent wind coverage. It feels very sturdy. Steel all around. It does come with this regulator, so I'll put aside. The one thing I don't like, and this is the same with our Martin, this handle. I mean, it's not like it's sharp or anything like that. Just, why can't they just put a regular handle right there? I don't know. Otherwise, that's the only thing I don't like. The flame control, which hopefully you've seen already, is phenomenal. Right on par with the Martin, if not a little bit better. I don't know what else to say. 20,000 BTUs, 20,000 BTUs. The Martin is 10,000 either side for a total of 20. This is a total of 40,000 BTUs. You saw how big those flames, you could hear how big those flames were. That's huge. And if you're using a percolator, you want some big flame. I don't know, I think there's one other propane stove, like a dual propane stove, that has more BTUs. The other thing I don't like about this, $129. So as I mentioned earlier, nobody's paying me for this. It's not our first Camp Chef product. We have a 3-burner on legs that we keep here at the house. But Camp Chef is not sponsoring us. I paid for this with my own money. From October to February, October 20 to February, I could not find these anywhere. Nobody had them in stock. And at that time, I wanted a new stove, and I bought the Martin, which we love. Probably going to give the Martin away as well. Again, that's for another video. So the two downsides, the handle, not crazy about, and the price at $129. That's more than twice the money of a Coleman. I think the Martin stove, when I bought it, was $59 with a coupon, or $60. So this is twice the money. So you have to ask yourself, one, it's big. Is it too big for the way I camp? And two, ask yourself, do you need that many BTUs? 20,000, 20,000, total of 40,000. Most other stoves are 10,000, 10,000. For our purposes, I'm going to keep it mostly because of the pans. The pans will fit, and it's not too much bigger. Hold on, I'll show you what our Martin looks like. To compare with our current stove, this is the Martin. So the Martin, move this over here. I'm just going to do a rough measurement. Martin is roughly 19, 18 and a half, and the Camp Chef is 23. So you can see the difference in size. Again, the Martin, excellent stove, just a little small for our applications. Again, if you're already a subscriber or you've been to our channel, you know that we do an awful lot of cooking and we videotape an awful lot of cooking. And so this is going to be more applicable for us, maybe not necessarily you. So again, if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed this quick review. And I have other product reviews of other camping devices that I think are good. I'm constantly getting new gadgets and constantly deciding, is this better than what we have? Is it not as good as what we have? In which case, you probably won't see a video and I just return it. In any event, again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you find this type of content valuable. Smash the like button. That is the best way to help our channel grow. YouTube has an algorithm and they count likes and comments and all that good stuff. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for sticking around. Hopefully this is helpful to you guys as well. I'm Stu Beans, and that's all I have to say today.